Ladies and gentlemen, we are continuing on with the lesson practice on lesson 57 on page 385 in your textbook. This is G through I, questions G through I. It says, write each number in standard form. Now, what standard form means is it means take scientific notation and write it in a really big decimal. Right? So we're basically doing the opposite of what we just did on D through F. Okay? So let's take them one at a time. Okay? So this one we have 4.5 times 10 to the negative 7. Well, that 10 to the negative 7 means that we had taken this 4.5 and moved it to the right 7 times. Moved that decimal to the right 7 times. So what's the opposite of that? Let's just take that 4.5 and we're going to move it to the left 7 times, and that's going to tell us what our final decimal answer is, which is going to be a really, really small number. I'm going to use a different color here. So our decimal place is right here. Notice I have 10 to the negative 7. And the way I got 10 to the negative 7 is I had a really big number and I moved it to the right. So let's just do the opposite of that. Let's take this decimal place and move it to the left 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I am going to run out of, let's try that again. I'm going to run out of space here. All right, so 4.5. Whew. Let's go ahead and move this decimal place to the left 7 times. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I move that decimal place right there, what do I do in all these gaps? You guessed it, I'm going to have to fill them all full of zeros. So a 0 there, 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 and a 0 there. Hopefully you already had the answer before I filled in all those zeros. You know that I'm just going to have 6 zeros, one less than what I had, right? So our final answer is 0.000000045. So this scientific notation, if I wrote it in what's called standard form, will be this number.